So after 5 rounds of games in the English Premier League, the Gunners are an impeccable 5 from 5, still perched at the top of the league. And what a difference a season makes. Remember, just about the same time last season, Arsenal never had a point, much less a victory. One at a time, the Maverick, I can't find them on the table. Me a search out under the table. I try to find the Gunners. That is the greatness of the EPL. If you slip, you slide. And when you win, you ride. I still think, though, Manchester City are the overwhelming favourites to win the league. With a superior depth in player quality, it's going to take a massive collaborative effort from my team Liverpool and all the other pretenders, such as the same Gunners, Chelsea, Spurs, and even such team from around the Old Trafford. Them have to chip in too. We all have to unite and gang up and take points off of Manchester City, or else they will make it a procession. Anyway, never walk alone. We will take what we can get. If it's even a Fergie time winner, we will take it. Give thanks. We'll never walk alone. Give thanks. Give thanks. Give thanks.